Everybody, we're back for another Imperfect Foods unboxing. It's been a while. It's like I think the last thing I posted was 2 weeks ago. So it's like around here, it's like I got sick for a few days. Then my husband got sick for a few days. And then it was the holiday. And now we're back. So let's get to it and see what we got in here. Now, in the summertime, I'm not real big on cooking. Gets too hot. But I did get two more boxes of this pumpkin cake mix while they still had it. Because it just sounded really good. Then I got some more of these asparagus, Kashi asparagus. These are really good. On salads, cheese and crackers, you name it. And let's see, I knew it. I also got the asparagus cuts. I want to try this when I do some pasta and put it in with the pasta. It's asparagus with rosemary and oregano. So that should be pretty good. And let's look here. We got broccoli. Finally ran out of broccoli. Now I need more broccoli. I like my broccoli. I like it steamed and I like it roasted in the air fryer. It's really good. And we got bell peppers. Always gotta have bell peppers. It's like you can't cook anything without bell peppers. And we got a handful of limes because everything Mexican's got to have lime. And I have this thing in my head that I want to make fish tacos, so got to have limes. And let's see what else we got. We got 2 cans of cream cheese frosting, which the frosting was like $1.29 a can, and that's pretty cheap. And then I also got, this is just vanilla frosting, but it's blue. We don't care. And got funfettis. I can save those for Christmas. And then in here, oh no, I can't find the top. There we go. Got a couple of bags of salad. Always good in the summertime. 2 bags of Caesar salad. And organic tender leaves. Not sure what is in here. Spinach, arugula. Yeah, whatever. Tiango? I've never heard of that. But it's in here. And then we got our 2 packages of pasta. One of these is for dinner tonight. The other one goes in the freezer. And then we got, the rest of it is cheese. I've got some Havarti cheese. And smoked Gouda. Feta cheese. Gotta have it for fish tacos. No fish tacos without the cheese. And some grated Parmesan. And that's always good. I believe that's it. Yep, that's everything. So what we got here, we got salad. Already made. Salad greens, not already made. Got some broccoli, bell peppers, limes. Got pasta, 4 different kinds of cheeses. We got asparagus and artichokes. And we got 2 boxes of cake mix and 4 cans of frosting. Can't beat that. Now I'll have to make a cake. That's likely. Anyway, this order was, I believe, 63. And if you are interested, it gets delivered to my house every 2 weeks. You can do it weekly or bi-weekly or monthly or however you want to set it up. But I have a code down below that'll get you $20 off of your first order. And it also gives me $20 off of my next order if you use that code. So you can't really beat that, because everybody can use extra groceries. So that's pretty much it. And I need to get on the stick and start making some more videos, because yeah, it's just once you quit, it's hard to get back in the habit of doing it. So that's just where I'm at. But anyway, that's going to be it for today. And we'll see you next time. And hopefully it won't be 2 weeks. And thank y'all for stopping by. And if you enjoyed this and you want to see more like this, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. And that always helps me. So we'll see you next time. Bye.